Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on the application of Yazio. Here we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Yazio and you will click. Then here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.